Hey, Jeremy again here from Low 12 Leather. If you've been following me at all, you saw my how to make a belt, and today we're going to be making a dog leash. Today is going to be a brown one. This was actually an error that I made the other day. You can't tell from there, but I can tell. So what actually happens with this is I don't put them up for sale. I take them down to the Genesee County Humane Society and I donate them for dogs that need homes, and they can send them home with a great leash from me. So going back to my belt video, you'll see how I cut my leather. We actually cut it the same way that we cut our belts for our dog leashes. So it's basically the same process to cut a dog leash as it is a belt. We cut it from our full grain harness leather. They are cut at a 1-inch width. I make my leashes in 5-foot lengths. Once the strap is cut, I take 10-inch loop at the end and a snap clip at the other. From there, punch my holes for my rivets. I use rivets instead of Chicago screws for strength and durability. So if your dog is a heavy puller, they're gonna have a hard time pulling these rivets out. But we do our folds at each end. The added D-ring helps for storage of your leash when hanging it up, or when you're actually on a walk, you can clip your doggy bag to this so you're not carrying a bag of poop in your pocket. To smooth our edges and make them more comfortable to grip, we bevel the edges and then burnish the edges and seal it with beeswax. Once that process is complete, I package it up and ship it right to your door. Now you've seen my process on how I make my leashes. If you would like to pick one up for yourself or a loved one, be sure and check out low12leather.com. The link is in the description. Be sure to like and share and subscribe. It definitely helps me keep going. Thanks a lot.